Hey everyone, and welcome back. I'm Mr. Stoltz. Hey, you know what? Spring is on its way, and I thought to myself, hey, don't I need a brand new pair of white shoes? And I said to myself, yes indeed, I do actually need that. So today I am reviewing a brand that I've never reviewed before. It is called Axel Arigato, and it's a little bit more on the luxurious side of sneakers with shoes. It tends to look a little bit more like YSL or certain like kind of models like that, not on the same price point, but that's what's so good about these shoes. You get an excellent quality, but for a lower price point. So I really want to open it up. So Axel Arigato, really clean, good looking box. This is what it looks like at the front. Axel Arigato at the top lid. So let's open it up. There you go. And the first thing that we see, a little envelope, open it up. And we have shipping information if you want to return it. And then this is the receipt. Yeah, the receipt as well. So I'm gonna put this right here. Not that fun to look at. And the second thing is a dust bag, a much loved dust bag. And it says Axel Arigato in white. And yeah, with some pull straps here as well, with some strings in leather. Really nice. So not the typical ordinary strings. Here we got leather, really nice. There you go, put it right here. Let's take it out. Here we have my shoe. I bought the all white Dunk sneaker, the Dunk shoe. All white with the red stripe in the middle. Let's take it out from the little plastic bag that it comes with. There's no branding on the bag. And this is what it looks like. This is super clean. I don't really, or there was something else, maybe it wasn't. Yeah, I totally forgot. I have a friend of mine that bought a pair as well. And you get chopsticks. Gray chopsticks that says Arigato at the end of it. Really nice little cool thing. I noticed some of the t-shirts being sold has these chopsticks. Kind of cool, I like it. All white, really clean. And this is what's so good about this shoe. This separates it because it looks really nice. It looks a little bit more luxurious compared to regular white sneakers in leather. There's something about this. It looks premium. I feel it. Feels really good. So why not start it straight away? So the entire upper of this shoe is 100% Italian leather, and you can feel it's super thick. Excellent, looks really good, great quality. And this was so different. First of all, the leather on this feels twice as good on other shoes. And this, let's see here, the price point of this one is about, what would it be? About $200 maybe, 180. Because I bought it in Europe, so I have a different price in my head, but I'm just quickly doing a calculation. But that would be around, let's say around 150 to 200 plus tax maybe, something around that. So that is a really good deal for all white with 100% Italian leather. Excellent. And these are also handmade in Portugal, so that's really nice. So let's see here. So at the front toe box, we have suede, this gray suede around, and I think that this really makes the shoe pop a little bit with the white leather around it and then with the gray suede. Excellent. Moving up, we have white thin laces all the way up, leather around it, and then an all white clean tongue. So everything on this shoe is just simply clean and nice, dressing up type of shoe. Maybe not tearing the city up, doing something, whatever you want to do, like with some other beaters. This is more of a dress up kind of shoe, so that's what I like about it. And then we have this red stripe in the middle. So this is what separates this one from the other one. Looking at the receipt, yeah, it says Dunk sneaker. So this is the typical Dunk sneaker where we have the stripe in the middle. And this one is available in red and black and some other ones I forgot. But I kind of wanted something that pops a little bit, so I picked the red one. I think it looks really clean. We have 4 rows right here with dots that's going through the leather skin. And it says Arigato in a golden color. So really nice, really clean. on both sides. It only says Arigato right here, not on the inner side of the shoe. And then taking a look on the back side of the shoe, just like the front, we have this gray suede, and then same at the back. I'm really glad that they put this right here, because if it was just white all the way around it, it would not be as luxurious, so to say. So I think that this really separates it and give the shoe a little bit more depth. Really nice. So taking a look inside of the shoe, so first of all, the inner sock liner is glued onto the, stitched and glued onto the inner part, so you can't remove it. They said on the website that it's supposed to be for durability, it's supposed to last longer. So let's see how that one ends up. And then it says Axel Arigato in gold, just like at the outer side of the shoe. Let's see here. It says, this is really hard to see. I'll see if I can make a close-up. But on the inner side of the tongue, it says handmade in Portugal, and it's an 11 US. That's the size that I got. And speaking about the size, I got this one in my true to size, US 11, Europe 45, and it fits perfect. I'm gonna say, like, it fits perfectly, feels really good. The one thing that when I first put it on feet, but that's the way it is with a lot of luxurious shoes, feels really stiff at the beginning, but I believe that this shoe will loosen up a lot in the future. So I'll just have to wear it a lot in order for it to break in and feel a little bit softer. Let's see here. So that's it on that. Taking a look underneath the shoe, all white, and we have these stripes, really clean. Not a lot of patterns and not a lot of things. You have a little bit of grip because we have this kind of like staircase and motion going on where we have these zigzaggy lines. Really nice. I just love this shoe. Like, there's a lot of things happening, but at the same time, nothing is happening at all. Less is more. That's what I love about this shoe, and that's the reason why I got this shoe. So let's take a look and see what it looks like on feet. The funny thing about this shoe, it is a dress-up kind of shoe, but but at the same time, it is like a sneaker. It is a traditional just walking around, going grocery shopping, whatever you want to do. So you can have this with joggers, with dress-up pants, with jeans, with, I don't know why I'm doing this shopping motion, but it doesn't matter. So you can have whatever you want with it. If you want to dress up, go ahead, dress up. If you want to dress down, go ahead, dress down. Because it is such a clean and nice shoe with excellent quality. So I have nothing bad to say about this shoe at all. Excellent price point, excellent quality, feels good on feet, a little bit stiff, but it will probably break in after wearing it for a while. So I have nothing bad to say about this shoe. Excellent. I will leave a link down below if you want to check it out, if you want to see, if you want to grab yourself a pair. I truly recommend this brand and this shoe. Something that pops a little bit. If you want an even cleaner shoe, just take a different model without the red stripe, and this one is also available in different kind of materials except this leather version that I got. So that's it. So thank you guys for watching. If you're new to my channel, click right here. If you want to see more videos just like this, click right here. And do not forget to leave a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I post videos as much as I want, as often as I can. So hope you enjoyed everything. So have an awesome weekend. I'll see you very soon again. Take care. Bye bye.